In this video, I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp button to a Facebook post, step by step. It's important to know that Facebook doesn't currently let you attach a clickable WhatsApp button directly to a regular Facebook post. However, if you have a business page, you can connect your WhatsApp account to your page and encourage people to contact you through WhatsApp. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Go to your professional dashboard or page settings, then look for linked accounts, WhatsApp, or business tools, depending on your app version. Follow the prompts to connect your WhatsApp business number and verify it if required. Once your WhatsApp account is linked, create a new Facebook post as you normally would. In the caption, invite your audience to contact you on WhatsApp for more information, orders, or support. If your page has a WhatsApp action button enabled, visitors can tap it from your page to start a conversation with you. Review your post, then tap Post or Publish to share it. Keep in mind that available features may vary by page type, region, and app version. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.